Let's watch some memes. How about that? Extreme try not to laugh challenge.
Yo, I need a fucking beer, eh? Oh shit.
Papo, tú puedes.
Oh my goodness.
I'll just ask for a number.
The worst you can say is no.
All right, I'll do it.
The worst she could say is no. They literally screamed. See, this is why I don't approach girls, man. I don't approach women. Oh, that dog's going through
Pay
it.
attention, and you can learn a lot.
CPR.
Nice.
No, you have to keep pressing. Press. That's enough. Let go.
Wow, they really just gave that frog. What was that, CPR?
I'm literally at work and I'm eating and one of my meatballs flew off of my plate and it rolled really far away. Look at it. Oh.
Somebody stepped on it.
I mean, thank you, Mar, for the $2.50.
Bro, what the f was that? Her scream sounded like a
Look
dude.
at it. Oh.
I mean, thank you, Mar, for the $2.50.
In the mirror, and I based myself based on what I read on the comments. I felt worthless.
This guy looks familiar. Where have I seen this guy before? He's a prankster, right? I forgot. Do y'all know this guy's name? I forgot his name. His name, FoozieTube. That's who he is. Yeah, I used to actually watch his videos like a long ass time ago.
I felt ugly. I felt gay. I felt that like that.
What is he talking about? Wait, what did he say? What does he say? What is he?
Mar, for the $2.50.
In the mirror, and I based myself based on what I read on the comments. I felt worthless. I felt ugly. I felt gay. I felt like
Oh my, bro started f***ing banging the fly.
We call two guys that love math. No, algebra.
Would you rather be born with one leg?
Fuck do my dog walk sideways, boy? Like he don't walk regular. The pit walk heterosexually.
Yo, what? He walks horizontally? Is that what he was trying to say?
Would you rather be born with one leg?
Fuck do my dog walk sideways, boy? Like he don't walk regular. The pit walk heterosexually.
Oh my word. Bro got robbed? Guess he was hungry.
What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be kissing the next dude I see.
Oh, I've seen this. I've seen that.
Hey.
My dad had a job interview and I sent him this. Oh! Your dad had a job interview and you sent him that. Wow. Why would you do? My dad would kill me if I did this to him.
I see. Oh, hey.
You about to make your dad fuck up that interview. Audio's good? Alright, cool guys. Thank you. Bro, he just started running. He started running. Damn. Whatever she make is gonna be sugary as hell.
Footprints in the sand, but then you turn around and see another set, because Jesus was with you all along.
My name's Amy.
Guys, it's time to be!
Jesus. My upstairs neighbors. That can't be her real laugh. Oh, they shooting! They shooting! What the dog doing?
Isaac, you can't be watching this. What were you watching?
What is this kid? What? This is prime reason number one why I never took a shit in high school. Just because if you actually use the bathroom for what it's designed for, people will get mad. What did he say?
The pizza's about to fall. The pizza is about to fall, ma'am. The pizza, the pizza, the pizza.
Excuse me, do you know where I could find some marijuana? The weed.
Oh, damn,
wow.
What? You have candy in class. I read that as you have candy in your ass. I don't know why. Wait, one time I was in the stall grunting like crazy. Then one guy said, "Be careful with, be careful with that."
Come on.
Wow, you fucked your best
I'm a
friend.
princess and you're not. La, 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 la.
Good pictures out here today? Yep. There's some hot girls over there too if you want to take pictures.
Thankfully, my wife doesn't understand what you say.
You ready for this? You ready for this? Y'all ain't ready for this?
Join UFit gyms or come try
Wow,
us
did he
with
just really kill his teammates?
the free.
Remove from match.
I'll fight you for it.
Oh, I've seen this. I like your cut, G. There was a time where everybody was saying that.
Ja, nå. Jeg skulle sjåføren. Åh. Du skal blåse, ikke trekke inn. Åja. Sugte du? Ja.
I don't know how to start this. I bought a praying of Kingles.
That's the type of shit you say when you like just wake up from a nap and you don't know what the like you just talking gibberish. I've done this so many times. Like if somebody asks me a question as soon as I wake up, this is what the fuck I say.
I bought a praying of Kingles.
And you just sit there like, damn.
Son, leave the ball alone.
Bam!
What was he
She
doing?
got hit by a big ass
Me explaining to my indoor cat about what happens when kittens go outside.
truck. What?
It was time to show my server that I knew Chinese.
No video.
Okay.
Who is he? Meatball.
Bro, there's a whole ass bear on my front door. Is shit gonna get tragic? No paddock hop in the V in the show automatic? I don't know. You better close my door. Lucky I don't beat your ass. Oh, whoa.
I'm gonna say fuck 12 when we pass him. Yeah. Fuck 12.
Louder. Say it with your chest.
I know.
Yes, 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 yes.
What do you love about elephant? What do you love about elephant? What do you love about elephant and castle?
Why is he running like that?
Where you going?
Here's your vanilla ice cream.
I asked for no whipped cream.
Okay.
What the hell? Look, I'm rich as hell. Oh shit. I gotta put his money back from my boss fees, damn it.
My brother, that is money from the cash register.
It's okay. It's not the bad kind of fentanyl. It's the medical.
Oh my word.
Salamico, Brazil. iPhone.
I have a girlfriend. I have a lot of money. I have D.
You want a cookie?
Wait, I have
Yeah,
what?
I got you.
Oh.
You want a cookie? Yeah, I got you.
Oh shit, your mama titty milk? Good looking now, gang. Good looking now. Okay, thank you so much.
What?
I don't shake hands, sir. Good luck. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
What, you don't shake hands? Oh my god.
Oh, of course.
Who's he?
Hi.
Oh, she's schizophrenic. That's cool. I know a doctor or two that can help you out, young lady. Don't be ashamed. It's okay.
Do people not get embarrassed doing these kind of like I guess this would be like a prank or something?
Hi. Oh, she's schizophrenic. That's cool. I know a doctor or two that can help you out, young lady.
I just feel like that's so cringy, man. So cringy. Are you getting Silent Hill 2, bro? I want to watch you stream that game. When does the game come out?
It's okay. People have problems.
Do parents ever ever
I'm 24 and I can't take it anymore.
I'm 32. Yabba dabba doo.
Home screen, buddy. He's not even recording you. He's looking at his home screen.
Hey, you must be looking at my ass.
This is a problem between me and you. Why are you looking at his ass?
What? Yo.
Yo, Rick. Yo.
Yo, why do they immediately turn on this dude, bro? What the Hold on.
Take it anymore.
I'm 32.
Home screen, and I can't take it anymore.
Yo, I'm convinced that New York is just one big GTA server. It's just like Atlanta.
Yabba dabba doo.
He's looking at his phone screen, buddy.
He's not even recording you. He's looking at his home screen.
Hey, you must be looking at my ass.
This is a problem between me and you. Why are you looking at his ass? Yo, why
are you looking at his ass?
Yo.
I don't understand New York at all, man.
This is really nice.
So this is the Honda Odyssey, definitely a lot of space.
Yeah, how many dead bodies can you fit back here?
At least 5.
Double cut. At least 5? You answered
Take a
that?
No.
Let's see, bro. This is the way you be watching on TikTok? Okay, let's see. She's smoking, that's bad. She has a baby. What the fuck is that?
What the hell? I'm a 10 or a dog.
In New York fucking city, home of mosquitoes, if you ask me. The Big Apple, the big fucking mosquito.
Bro, what? I don't even want to know what's on his face.
They're fucking sucking me dry. I mean, come on, what the fuck do I do about this shit? Every fucking way. Excuse me, buddy, what do you think about the fucking mosquitoes here? What do you
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Where's my diploma?
New York is not real.
Oh my god.
Can I just go back to this real quick, bro? That's funny as hell. He was legitimately scared.
Bro, what the fuck is our diploma?
He started running for his life, bro. That's funny as shit.
Bro, what the fuck is
It's funny as hell.
Where's my diploma, bro?
We got fucking scared, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
13, bro.
I knew I should have dropped out.
Damn. He's playing a very dangerous game. POV, you getting exposed by the TV?
God damn.
You need a ride? I'm fucking pissed off. Alright. If I wanted a ride, my phone would be like that.
Yeah, that's gonna make me want to pick up a hitchhiker even more. This guy, it's nighttime. This guy's waiting out there by himself, and this guy's like, "Hey, you need a ride?" And he's like, "I'm pissed off." Yeah, go ahead and pick him up. Yeah, see what happens.
You need a ride? I'm fucking pissed off. Alright. If I wanted a ride, my phone would be like that.
Oh.
Bro, this is the most random sneaker store. Getting a haircut, come back in 20 minutes. Bro, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Why? They couldn't find somewhere else to do this?
The way that he's looking is so funny because it's like he knows that he's being recorded.
20 minutes. Bro, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Why? They couldn't find somewhere else to do this?
He's trying not to look at the guy.
Billy Buttcrack from the Billy Buttcrack News Network.
Okay. I need your actual ID, sir.
Oh.
is a step-by-step guide to becoming a fossil.
Uno reverse.
Step 1, die.
Wow, did he really? Wow.
These are the
That's
top
out of
3
pocket.
things I wish I would have done differently when starting my pressure washing business. First is get more hose. Hauling a pressure washer.
I'm trying. What?
Shut up.
Nothing to me.
Go get him, boys! Woo! Go get him, boys!
My goodness. No one would believe me. Wow. One reason not to get a glass table.
Hey!
I scared you, didn't I? You look like Eric Sharon, too. You sexy as hell, my nigga.
That dude had to go home and be like, yo, what the hell just happened? I am so confused.
Sexy as hell, my nigga.
And what about me?
That man said, what about me? What was that guy doing?
I think I see a raccoon. Or a person.
A raccoon or a person? I bet you it's a person.
A raccoon or a person?
Why do you care? I'm not trying to find out. That's a person. I'm up out of there.
Damn, I messed up. We gotta go bald.
Evil. What? Yeah, I'm deleting the game. While people are wild.
It's a plum. Can you say plum? Plum is the fruit. And it's what purple one?
Is this how they teach kids nowadays? Oh. That's a van from Temu.
You're here to meet a 15-year-old boy tonight. Is that the case?
Yes, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Okay. If you could just keep your distance from me, if you just want to stand back, I don't want to get too close to you.
I just didn't know. I didn't know.
Okay.
Got caught.
Told me you wouldn't tell anybody.
Okay, well.
I had a feeling that this was a sting operation, and I'm not a child predator. I never.
Dude, I swear, child predators always look like dudes like this, man. They look so weird and creepy.
Anything like this before.
Okay, calm down. Look, I'm not a cop.
The heck was that?
I'm not a cop. I'm not here to do anything to you. I'm not here to arrest you.
Wow. You definitely should not have said that you're not a cop. I mean, granted, I think that's a good, like, ploy for you not to get hurt, because it's like, well, that guy just wised up and now he might do something to you. For your safety, I'd be like, well, I'm not saying that I'm not a cop, but I could be.
I'm not a cop. I'm not here to do anything to you.
He literally was like, you ain't a cop? All right. Bet.
I'm not here to arrest you.
If you think you see the man in this sketch, they want you to call the police tips hotline at number 816-474-TIP.
Oh my God, they drew him. What is this?
Hi.
Tell him? Oh. Why on earth would you do that? And he's just unbothered. Oh my word.
Hello? You order Chinese food? Oh, we got our food here. It's cold outside. Oh, you fat fuck. You got egg roll. I'm a chicken, baby.
Oh. Damn! He fucked his shit. Oh yeah, you gotta go bald. You gotta go bald. He got pushed back so bad. Why would you ever let him cut your hair?
Buddy, I just took a fat ass shit. I was wondering if you can help me wipe. Sure. Yeah?
20 bucks.
20 bucks?
20 bucks.
No, I just took like a fat ass shit. I need to wipe my ass.
Yeah, I ain't doing that for free.
Why?
Because I need 20 bucks.
So you're gonna wipe my ass for 20 bucks?
Sure.
Yo, leave people
Does
alone.
it come with a free jerk or what?
That's 40, dude. Come on.
That's 40?
40.
For a jerk and a wipe?
Jerking away, of course. Wait, that's like a $60 fucking job right there. Come on.
Wait, this is my twin?
He knows the price.
Hey, why you kind of look like me? What the fuck? Where you from?
I'm from Gambia.
Gambia?
Yeah.
So what the fuck you looks like me? Am I tripping? Who your dad?
My dad. My dad.
You don't know him?
Nah.
So that means...
Oh my
So
god,
what's your
shut
name?
up, Speed.
Eric. And then what's your name?
Ava.
Ava. All right, so either of y'all, I just want y'all to share with me, like, it might be personal, but you don't got to go there, you know, just like tell me like the most traumatic experience you ever experienced in your life. I know it might be hard to think of like off the bat.
What?
My dad died.
My dad almost got deported.
Bro, this is so awkward. Why would you ask them that? So awkward. Did he start laughing at the end of the video? Oh, I don't know what that was.
Excuse me, is your Bluetooth on your phone?
Possibly. Yeah.
I knew I felt a connection.
Oh, that's smooth.
I'm Lila.
That's
Lila?
smooth.
Can I get your number? I'm Johnny.
This is actually my girlfriend.
You're very lucky. I'm gonna go cry now.
Donate $1, you'll save a
Wow.
child $1.
Chad, I gotta admit, that was smooth. All right, JC, time to make a try to laugh for the rest of the video. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been laughing the entire video. All right, from this point on, I am not gonna laugh. All right.
You'll save a child. $1 will go so far for these children.
You know
These
what?
children
I
are
got my last $6 on me.
$6? You save.
I can save six.
I got it. All right, we got six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, I want them all.
No. It's only 6. Go.
Bro, what the? She had to be in on that joke. Only in New York, dog. Only in New York. Only in New York, bro.
But my sister, she wants you to tell her happy birthday. It's her 22nd birthday today.
I'm on a show. I'm on a national show. I can't stop and tell your sister happy birthday.
Look, all you can say is just happy birthday, Candace. She's right here. She's not talking. She's shy.
I'm not gonna. Happy birthday, Candace. I hope this year.
Yeah, Candace, fit in your mouth, mother.
I saw that before. POV, you get his ticket for speeding. Oh, you petty. Oh, he is petty. Petty as hell. I wonder if they'll take it though. What is he trying to? Is he trying to get some beer? Oh, and that's like a magnet. He got 2 of them though. He got 3. Just don't drop that shit.
Let me see that brownie. What's that, a gun?
Too bad they found out.
Why would you eat that brownie to a gun? I'm whooping your ass.
I was walking by this amazing kebab shop and I saw this guy. And I said, good kebab? And he said, well, he didn't say anything, he just gave me a thumbs up. And so I walked in, I bought this, and, wait, what?
I got mine from that one.
Wait, you bought it from that one?
Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. No.
What the fuck? I bought it from, why did, you saw me go in?
Videos to my
I don't
homeboy.
understand that one.
I don't believe you. You don't believe me?
No.
You don't believe me?
No.
I don't believe him either.
I have a video. I brought it to you right
What
now.
video?
Oh, okay. Well, I see.
Right
What video? I want to see it.
Right, we're about to see
it. Yeah. Now it's. Yeah, definitely.
Oh my. Oh my God. Was that a real episode? Oh, yo. She had to be so embarrassed. That's embarrassing as fuck.
This painting symbolizes the crazy ape's attempts to express himself. He was a wild creature with a creative flair like no other. To produce this painting,
that was real?
The ape had to run away from his habitat. That was undoubtedly inhibiting his ability to elevate.
What is he talking about? Everybody. What was the noise he made after that speech? Oh, this is gonna end badly.
Please turn off cell phones, Apple Watches, any other sound-making devices. This is a solemn and sacred ceremony.
Leaving for Sunday with outbreaks of rain again for southern Scotland and then more rain coming in off the Atlantic to end the day. Good night.
And just walk off. Why is he just standing there?
I'll be showing you how to handle an armed robbery in the street. Tense situation, but with enough training, you'll be able to pull.
Oh, I think I've seen this guy's videos on Facebook.
Now, it may look like I've just been robbed, but what I've actually done is I've gone into his wallet after stopping time.
Stopping time. High-speed camera. Okay. It's brilliant.
Taken his ID, and I just finished signing his name into the death note.
Oh, bro, it's cooked. Why did I think about that? I'm gonna go to the worst part of my neighborhood in case anybody robs me. Just stop time, then write that person's name in the death note. Simple.
Come on, come on.
Hey, yo.
Bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Oh, pimp down, pimp in distress. Oh my God, pimp down, pimp in distress. I need $150 million.
Yeah, G, you ain't getting that.
Stop. I was just bullshitting, man. I was just bullshitting. I know, I was just bullshitting. That's on my YouTube channel. Oh, okay. I told him I wouldn't sue. I already said that. Because I moved the sign out the way.
Oh, okay. I was like...
Please, it's pouring outside. Let me in, Maria.
No, you're literally disgusting. Take your stuff and leave.
What did I do wrong, Maria? I didn't do anything wrong.
No, you're a disgusting cheater.
I cheated on you in your dreams.
With my sister.
Cheated on you? Oh my goodness.
Hello, Mr. UPS man. Would you like some Sprite?
She got mad at me for me doing something in her dreams.
Some Sprite. Tic Tacs.
You're saying I have bad breath?
No, you can just have a few Tic Tacs though, and you can just eat a couple.
How many Tic Tacs you giving this man?
What are you doing? I don't know what it is, bro. What's the matter with you? Did he just kiss? What are you kissing for? Who is that? What are you kissing my wife? That's your wife? Who'd you think it was? I was saying, I thought that was like an actor or something. For real, for real. I didn't know that was your wife.
My house is dirty. I think both of these guys are in jail right now. I know popcorn ain't that good to have bro loading like that.
The only thing that fell is this little box. What's inside? What? It's a box of... A box of... That's ridiculous. You can't put in a box.
Can you put the milk in the bag for me?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, you did not just do that. You did not just do that. You did not. This is fake. Definitely fake. Ain't no way.
So it's $2.29. What?
I mean, there's just no way. Random as hell. What?
You're so childish. Yeah.
Okay, hey, I think that's
He's into the same thing.
No, sorry about that. You too.
I knew it. They're so stupid. God crafted me with shitty high genetics and the mental stability of what?
Yeah, we're good.
Mental stability of what? Of a balloon. Oh.
Guys good?
Yeah, we're good. I like your mask.
I just got it today.
Oh, really? Is that AC/DC? Oh, it's not.
It's supposed to be a play on AC/DC.
Dude, no way. I did merch like that.
What does that say?
Hello, FE.
Low?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
It means lots of fucking Ebola.
How long have you been like this?
What?
How long have you been like this?
Just a couple days.
Oh, I thought maybe like 20 or 30 years.
No, I have a mental disorder.
Oh, I do too.
Yeah.
It's called Life on Planet Earth.
Oh, this guy's awesome.
You know that?
Yeah.
It makes all of us crazy.
We gotta go to a different planet.
I'm going in the little boy's room, take care of some beds.
Yeah.
See you later on. I'm Randall. What's your name?
Dick.
Dick, that'll work.
Dick Smalls.
And what's this guy's name?
Dick Big.
That guy's actually pretty awesome. He's a good sport. Why would you ever do that from... And there you have it. Meme challenge completed. This was a pretty funny one. Man, I'm Dead always has some pretty good memes.